Today on CryptoWinRate, I'm going to show you how to create a Coinw account. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this referral code, which makes you eligible for sign-up bonuses. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. To create an account, we can sign up with our email or phone number. I'm going to sign up with my email. Check off the user agreement, and create my account. Next, we need to copy and paste the 6-digit verification code from our email, create a password, and confirm. In the Rewards Hub, you can see all of the sign-up bonuses that you can potentially earn. We want to go and check out the KYC requirements to see what we can and can't do on the exchange with KYC. So we see without being verified, we cannot use Coinw. So there are 3 different verification levels. There is basic verification, 2 BTC withdrawal limit, you can deposit, trade, and quick buy. Primary verification, 10 BTC for your 24-hour withdrawal limit. You can deposit, trade, quick buy, have access to the Coinw card, and you can P2P buy crypto. And advanced verification, 100 BTC 24-hour withdrawal limit, deposit, trade, quick buy, Coinw card, and P2P buy crypto. To do basic verification, we click Verify Now, select your country and region, put in your first name, last name, then the identity type, so passport or driver's license. So I'm going to do my driver's license, put in the number, date of birth, and then you have to upload a picture of your license. Once you've done that, you can submit it, and you should be verified pretty quickly. Looking around Coinw a little bit, up here is where you can quick buy, and you could also check out the Coinw card. Here's the market section, futures. Here's where you can make spot trades and buy ETFs. Copy trading. Coinw has bots. Further earn section, they have simple earn and auto invest. As well, under wallets, you can see your asset overview. You can deposit, withdraw, and look at your orders. If you want to get the best bonuses when signing up to Coinw, you should create a new account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time, and bye for now.